Imagine this: airports are packed, highways are a parking lot, grocery stores are sold out of turkeys, and everyone is losing their minds, all for one meal. This is Thanksgiving, America's craziest, most chaotic holiday. But why do Americans go this crazy every year? Let's find out. Thanksgiving is celebrated on the fourth Thursday of November in the US. A day to hit pause, eat a massive meal, hang out with family, and say thanks. It's basically one day where gratitude and food take over the country. Flashback to 1620. A ship called the Mayflower lands in America. On board, the Pilgrims, settlers looking for freedom. Problem: they had no idea how to survive in this new land. First winter, brutal. Half of them did not make it. Then, plot twist. The Wampanoag Native Americans show up. They teach the pilgrims how to farm, hunt, and survive. Fast forward to few months. The pilgrims finally have a successful harvest. And what do you do when you are grateful and hungry? You throw a feast, a 3-day feast. Pilgrims plus Wampanoag equals to eating, laughing, and celebrating. This movement became the inspiration for Thanksgiving. For years, Thanksgiving was celebrated at different times in different states. Then in 1863, during the Civil War, President Abraham Lincoln declared one official National Day of Thanks. Just like that, Thanksgiving became a holiday for the whole country. Today, it's not about pilgrims or history anymore. It's about family, food, and gratitude. It's the one day millions travel home, cook giant meals, and spend hours together, laughing, arguing, and sharing what they are grateful for. Even chaotic families. That is the part of the vibe. Thanksgiving is basically a pause button on life, a reminder to appreciate what you have: food, friends, family, even Wi Fi counts. And here is what Thanksgiving looks like today: turkey everywhere, mashed potatoes drowning in gravy, pumpkin pie disappearing in seconds, football games, always football. And yes, the next day, Black Friday madness. So, yeah, Thanksgiving is not just a meal, it's a pause, a celebration, a reminder to be grateful. If you like this story, subscribe, press that like button, and stick around for more crazy, interesting American stories on American wisdom. Thank you.